Hello everybody, my name is Jack and today I'm going to be making chocolate chip cookies. So let's get started. So what we want to do is we want to start with a normal large egg. You want to crack that and then you want to put it in your mixer bowl. We just put everything in the mixer bowl because that's the easiest way to do it. Next you want a half a cup of softened butter, which is a whole stick or 8 tablespoons. So we're gonna unfold that and just plop it in there. The next thing you're gonna need is 1/4 a cup and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. So first we're gonna get out our 1/4 a cup and then let's grab some sugar. I'm gonna pour this into there, and then we want 2 more tablespoons. The next thing you want is 1/2 a cup and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. So we're gonna get our 1/2 a cup and we're gonna grab some. Then you're gonna pour that in there, and then you're gonna want another tablespoon. Put that in there. And then that's what we want to start with. So then the next thing we want to do is we want to get a mixer and then let's get it in the right spot. And then we want to put this thing down, and then we are going to start mixing. So now we've been letting it mix for a little while, and then there are a few things that you want to use 1/2 teaspoon for. You want to get some salt. I'm going to put that in there. Next thing you want to do is get some baking soda. Get that poured in there. And this is the tricky part. What you want to do next is get some vanilla extract, and then you want to put it onto your 1/2 teaspoon. And be careful on this one. That's all you need. Now you should have your oven to 375 degrees. So the last thing that we want, one of the last things that we want to do is flour, which is the one where we have the most amount of ingredients. So we want to stop our mixer and get it up so that it doesn't make a huge mess. So what we need is 1 cup and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Get that there. Pour that in. Now for the 2 tablespoons. And then, after that, we turn the mixer back on. Don't worry if it makes a big mess. The last part is the fun part. You get to put the chocolate chips in. I like to pour it because I cannot fit this into the chocolate chips. Now that you have your chocolate chips, you're going to pour them in there. Actually, I think I should stop it. Then we're going to pour these in. Then let's start it up again. Now is when we want to put the batter that we made onto our cookie sheet. So to do that, try to make your cookie in the best circle shape you can make, and then put it on the cookie sheet. So the last thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to put it into the oven and at 375 degrees for 8 minutes. So you'll put the cookies in and out of the oven, and then you'll put them on something to cool for a few minutes. And then once you're done, you have it. Delicious cookies.